Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lean and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft. I've been presenting at user groups and events for about 2 years now, and I want to share a tip that I've come across today to help you get better prepared for future presentations. So I duplicate my first intro slide. So my first intro slide is usually just the name of my presentation, my logo, my name and some contact details. What I do is I duplicate that and I have that as my first two slides. And that enables me when I go to these events to plug in my laptop and then test my clicker. I can test that it's working and moves on the slides as appropriate. But by doing it with a duplicate slide, my audience isn't getting a quick reveal of what my actual presentation is going to be. Now, it sounds like a simple tip, and some people might be thinking, why do that? But I like to keep the mystery of what my presentation is going to be while I'm doing my tech check at an event. So hopefully this tip has been useful and you can incorporate it into your future presentations. Thank you for watching.